Alright, this video is for people with 2011 to I think to 2019 Ford Explorers. I'm showing a quick way to do your HID bulbs or your headlight or your regular, regular headlights. But I have HID. I switched to LED, and I'm seeing a lot of videos of people taking off their entire bumper. Okay, you don't have to take off your entire bumper to do this. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it real quick, and I just picked this up myself, so I was taking off the entire bumper, but now I'm going to do it like this. So of course, first of all, you take off these 10mm bolts that are all right here, right in front of the radiator grill right here. Okay, all 10mm, look like these, right? Take all those off. Then of course, you go down here. If you've done this before, you go down here to the wheel well, and you take off those Phillips screws. They come from down here. Got one, two, there's a third one, and a fourth one, and then you pull this off. Of course, pull that back. Don't be afraid to do it because it just snaps off, and it snaps back in. Then you got a screw hiding right here on the fender. Like I might kind of pull it out, but it's usually right about here. Take that Phillips screw out, and then let's see, you got one more. It's hiding right under here. After you do all that, it's right about under here. Okay, after you do that, take that off. Do the same on the other side. Same exact procedure. This comes off, just like I might be caught up in here, but it comes off. Same Phillips screws. The one that hides back there. You don't have to take this entire bezel off. Only a little bit of, just so you can get it to pop out about this much. Take the Phillips off, that's right here. And I'm going to put mine in so you can see how easy it is just to pop off. Hold on a second. Okay, so I got it all back in, right? So all you got to do, you can pull from right under here. See, that gap starting to pop open right there. I'm trying to do this with one damn hand. And just reach under there. Start pulling. See it popping? You're not breaking shit. You're just popping it off. Okay. There you go. If you did it on both sides, all you gotta do is take your hand right here, just right under the forward emblem, just right under here, and just pull back a little bit. Maybe. Sometimes it snaps back in, so you gotta go right here. See when it falls out. Now people are gonna be thinking that this whole damn thing is gonna fall out. It's not. It's gonna hang on the bumper right here, and it'll be easy. It'll just be kind of just dangling there, but you can get to all the screws that you need to get to. So, excuse me, it's cold out here. In order to take your entire lens assembly off and everything, there's one bolt here. Okay, I'll zoom in. That one, that is 10mm. There's one up top, kind of right by your hood switch, if you have one of those. That's also 10mm. This one is 13mm. It's right on the side right here. Let me zoom out so you can see what I'm talking about. It's right below the amber lens, right here. Take that one out, and then be very careful with this clip. Okay, once you get those three bolts out, you're going to want to kind of lift up and get this out of here like that. But if you break this, it doesn't mean the world's over. Your light will still go in. It has alignment pegs right here. So when you're putting it back in, make sure you align that first and then just kind of pop it back in there. Yeah, anyway, once you get those bolts out, you just pull this out here. I don't go pulling crazy. All you want to do is pull it out enough so you can get to your plugs in there. And everything's good. And then you just do all the normal stuff you do. You take your light out. It's going to either require unplugging the HID plug. Make sure everything is disconnected before you do it. And what I mean by disconnected is like, make sure your battery terminal, your negative terminal is off, just to be safe. Alright. Same thing over here. Take out that bolt, 13 millimeter. Take out this bolt right here, 10 millimeter, right here. There's another one hiding back here. Right out there. Okay. Pull your light out forward. Okay. I'm not gonna pull mine back out because I just got it in and it's cold out here. But you pull it out. Watch out for your tab. I had to repair mine already. Like I said, you break it. It's not the end of the world. Anyways, push it back in. Line your peg. Screw all your stuff back in after you install your light, of course. And then just take your bumper here. Right here. Kind of lift out and up. Okay. Look, it almost looks like a car again. It's going right back together. Make sure it doesn't get caught right here. Start snapping shit back in. Good to go. Pushes back in like that. Make sure you put all your screws back in right here. All the Phillips screws I was telling you about. Alright. Put your 10 millimeter bolts back up here. Alright, all those. Don't forget your little beauty cover, I call it. Oh yeah, tell you kind of wrong. Put this on first. Okay, and then put on your 10 millimeter bolts. All right here. Okay, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. So I hope that helped out somebody, you know, because it's kind of a bitch to be taking off this entire bumper just to do some headlights. Okay, thanks for watching.